Attention Samsung and Android users. If you are currently experiencing technical issues with your beautiful device right now, this could be the reason why. There was a recent update with Android that causes apps to either close or not open at all. Well, I spoke with a tech specialist myself and I was told how to fix this issue. Today, I would like to show you how you could do the same. Here are the steps. First, go to where all of your apps are located and select Settings. In Settings, you're going to look for Apps. Select Apps and then tap the three dots in the top right hand corner. Select Show System Apps. Now you're going to search for Android System Web View. Select Uninstall Updates. This is where the issue lies. I have already fixed this and uninstalled it, so I don't have the option to show you that, but you should find it right at the bottom or the top right hand corner. There may be another three dots. Once you do this, you will have your beautiful device back. Thank you for watching.